Rule number 2 involves using the RSI indicator, but with a twist. Go to the indicators tab and type in RSI Divergence. Make sure to pick this one right here. Next, we're gonna change the settings a bit. Go to the settings, then uncheck these bottom 3 checkboxes, so this will clean our chart up a bit. Then go to the middle line tab and change the color to white and make it a solid line. This is just so it's easier to see. Now, usually the RSI indicator is used for seeing if the market is overbought or oversold, but in this strategy, we're gonna be using it to find momentum in the market. So rule number 2 is that we will only enter a trade if the RSI line is above the middle white line. If all the other rules are met and the RSI is below the line, we will not enter the trade. The cool thing about this customized RSI indicator is that it also shows divergence. If you don't know what divergence is, to put it simply without going too in depth, it's basically when the price is moving in the opposite direction as the indicator. So if you're seeing higher highs on the chart and lower highs on the RSI, that's divergence. The cool thing about this RSI indicator is it will automatically show us if bullish divergence is occurring. As a quick disclaimer though, I've seen this indicator mess up and not show divergence sometimes, so you may have to look yourself a time or two. Just keep that in the back of your head, but nonetheless, this is a great indicator. So this bullish divergence is not exactly a rule that we have to follow, but it's a great sign if you see it when all the other rules are aligned. Let's move to rule number 3. If you've watched my other videos before, you probably know I love momentum candles. This can be a great way to find the start of a trend. The specific momentum candle we're going to be looking for is what is called an engulfing candle. To put it simply, an engulfing candle is a candle where it engulfs the previous candle. A bullish engulfing candle opens at or lower than the previous candle's close. The length of the bullish candle's body engulfs the previous red candle. Then the bullish candle closes above the previous candle's open. This is an engulfing candle, and it's a great way to find the start of a trend. Instead of looking for this candle ourselves and just looking at the chart all day, we're gonna let an indicator do the work for us. Go to the indicators tab and type in engulfing candle. You're gonna choose this one right here. When you add it, you're gonna be seeing a bunch of red and green arrows. Since we're gonna be doing long trades in this example, you can just disregard the red arrows. So all of these green arrows are bullish engulfing candles. Rule number 3 is we will only enter a trade if we see a green arrow.